Yo, what's up guys, it's me, and this where we're going to be taking a look at an prank video, which is like an ear horn prank if you see by Ted. I've done this before, like I did with the Nerf gun, which was, I don't know whether it's hilarious or not. So I'm not gonna open ear horn. So this is the quack sound effect, which is actually pretty hilarious. So air horn, I don't think you guys can see. So just open it. Okay, so here's the opening, and okay, so I'm just gonna use second one. I'm gonna see which one is more loud. Okay, and here, just do it, and just carefully. Oh, this is actually crazy loud. Oh, that was hilarious. So I'm just gonna go with this one. Okay, sorry. Like the other one, I mean the second one was more loud. I'm gonna set the camera angle inside the bedroom. So I'm gonna catch you guys once I am in this bedroom. But before this video, I'm gonna ask you drop a like, subscribe to my channel with all post notifications turned on, share this video, and you can comment as I will block it. So I'm gonna set the angle right now. Okay guys, here is here, and I'm gonna this channel or the second. So this one is extra loud, and it'll immediately. I'm gonna show you a better view. Oh come on, please stop. So here's a better view. So let's go. So 3, 2. Wait, so actually you can see words. So what sounds? So 3, 2. What's happening? Okay.
Oh my god! What was that?
So I literally think his eardrums broke. That was you. Yeah, and I think when I told you in the start, I showed you how loud that was, and it even nearly broke my eardrums. So yeah, this one I'm gonna show you. This two is another one. That two is pretty unknown. This I used to do it before. Okay, so I think that's it for the video. Just subscribe to his channel, link in the description below, and even drop like on some videos. If you guys saw my video, I think in my one of my latest videos, me and my brother have the same video, which was finally our first ever 700 brawler, which was Mortis, which is his favorite brawler.
Yeah.
Okay. And my third. So drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and
Peace
subscribe
the frick out.
I mean, bro, you.
I mean, not that. Cut that. No one saw that.
Okay. So he even subscribe to his channel. Drop a like on all of his videos.
I'm gonna start a trick shot channel, so link will be in the description for that too.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna feature in my channel too.
Yeah, and I can't feature in his channel, mine, but he featured mine, so I guess that's gonna be the end for the video. Peace
The
out.
frick out.